Chris, first of all, congratulations. The media award, the media can be quite critical, as Chris Wathen said. I mean, what does that mean to you?
Yeah, it's nice. I mean, listen, any award is nice to receive. There's obviously different departments in football, and the media's always going to be one. So yeah, to get one from them is nice. And yeah, like I said on stage, I'll take any award.
But I mean, the award's a recognition of, it's an individual award, but it's for the team. I mean, the whole team, everything just gelled in the Euros, and I think that's the media enjoyed the experience as well, and they obviously that's reflected in the award for yourself.
Yeah, and sometimes I think you can use the media to to give fans an idea of what's happening in the squad. Obviously it's changed these days with social media and stuff, but still no, I think the interviews and the stuff that's put out in the papers is important, especially like in the summer back home. So yeah, if we could do that and obviously tell everyone back home what great players we got, then yeah, it's nice, and yeah, we've got some good players in the team, and it's always nice to go in the papers and tell everybody, because they don't always get the credit they deserve, do they?
And what about that iconic picture, I suppose, when the chin up when after the defeat against England? I mean, that was one of the iconic images of the tournament.
Yeah, that was obviously just a spur of the moment thing. I think we were all devastated, obviously, when the goal went in, and I thought, I'm not really sure, but I think probably what came over me was, if I was a fan in the stand, then just maybe see a player do that would have made me think, yeah, we've still got another game to go, and as it turned out, it sort of paid off, and obviously the rest is history.